if you are a self-surrender, you will have between 6 and 8 weeks to turn yourself in. What you want to do during that time period is get your money ready for your books. Money in your books is basically what will allow you to get commissary items. It will allow you to pay any fees in prison. Transportation to the prison is very important as well. If you don't come to prison on time, you could get another charge or you could be sent to the hole for a long period of time. I also recommend any sort of books or courses you want to study at prison camp. Get that lined up in the 6 week period so that you can send that into prison when you're ready to get there. You want to spend as much time as you can saying goodbye to everyone, especially considering that you're going to be gone for a while. Your relationships are going to change, and there's always that possibility that you may never see these people ever again.